Okay.
One more interesting thing is that I happen to be privy to a case that is in court against the commissioners, a case that was filed by myself on behalf of my client, because the commissioners have refused to obey a court order that was issued way back in November. This matter is still before court. I can't go into details, but the truth of the matter is these are the people that we are dealing with. If you hold the Bible and swear to uphold the law and the rule of law in this particular country in the execution of your duties as a public officer, then you are the first person who should respect a court order immediately it is issued. So when we have such questions and all the questions that arose from the 2013 election, and the chicken gate that they are alluding to, we know that there is rot in IEBC, but we cannot sit back and say, let's not do anything because these are Kenyans.
All right, let's stay with you, Sifuna, because you're a campaign manager for Jack Akimba, who dropped out of the race. If things had stayed as they were, then he'd be one of the candidates seeking to represent the people of Homa Bay.
Yes.
He cited security as, the reason why he dropped out. And in the recent past, we've seen other candidates, come out to say they're also fearing for their lives.
Yes.
Was it really a security concern? Because in light of other people also fearing the same and staying in the race, was it that significant? What can you tell us?
Well, the truth of the matter is this, that Jack Akimba, given his role in the previous election in 2013, because he was very close up with the Honorable Raila Odinga, out of the role he played during the previous election, he had received threats and he had actually had to move out of the country. He was operating outside of Kenya. And when he came back and the campaigns picked pace, he felt that the threats that had existed prior to his taking part in the Homa Bay elections became exacerbated by the fact that he was participating in this particular race.